In a tragic turn of events, Iranian President Ebrahim Raisi and his foreign minister were killed in a helicopter crash amid severe icy weather in East Azerbaijan province. This marks a significant moment for Iran, a country that has been navigating through numerous crises under Raisi's leadership since June 2021. So who was Ebrahim Raisi? Born in 1960 in the sacred city of Mashhad, Ebrahim Raisi quickly climbed the judicial ranks in Iran, demonstrating his significant influence and deep connections within the country's clerical establishment. By the age of 20, he was appointed Prosecutor General of Karaj, adjacent to Tehran. His career progressed as he served as Tehran's Prosecutor General from 1989 to 1994, then as the Deputy Chief of the Judicial Authority for a decade starting in 2004, and ultimately as National Prosecutor General in 2014. Recognizable by his black turban, signifying his direct lineage from Prophet Muhammad, Raisi held the esteemed religious title of Hujjatul Islam, just one level below an Ayatollah. His presidency began amidst a period of intense social unrest and severe economic challenges, amplified by strict US sanctions over Iran's nuclear activities. Raisi's election in 2021 marked a shift in power to hardliners after 8 years under the more pragmatic Hassan Rouhani, during which a nuclear deal was brokered with Washington. His tenure was further marked by the public outcry following the death in custody of Iranian Kurd Mahsa Amini in 2022, which ignited widespread protests against the regime. Diplomatically, Raisi's term saw a momentary easing of regional tensions with the restoration of Iran-Saudi Arabia relations in March 2023. Nonetheless, this stability was fleeting as escalations including the late 2023 bombardment in Gaza and reciprocal strikes exacerbated regional discord. Throughout his presidency, Raisi underscored Iran's steadfast support for Palestine, a pillar of its foreign policy since the 1979 Islamic Revolution. In one of his last speeches, he reaffirmed this commitment, highlighting the unity between the people of Iran and Azerbaijan in their support for Palestine and their collective disdain for the Zionist regime. A month prior to his death, during a 3-day visit to Pakistan, both nations pledged to boost their trade volume to $10 billion over the next 5 years, seeking to repair relations after the mutual missile strikes earlier in January. As Iran grieves the sudden loss of President Raisi, we await its impact on the country's domestic and international policies.